Hi, I just thought we'd have a run through the Calypso Strum. I'll just play it through slowly at first and we'll have a practice with it. Just put your finger on the C chord and we'll just do it very slowly. So down, down, up, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. All right, just have a practice of that and we'll slowly go through Yellow Bird. It's just a bit of the timing in this one, so we'll see how we go with it. I'll do an introduction. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yellow bird, up high in banana tree. Yellow bird, you sit all alone like me. Did your lady friend leave the nest again? That is very sad, make me feel so bad. You can fly away, in the sky away, you're more lucky than me. I also have a pretty girl, she not with me today. They all the same, the pretty girl, make them the nest, then they fly away. Yellow bird, up high in banana tree. Yellow bird, you sit all alone like me. Better fly away, in the sky again. Picker coming soon, pick from night till noon. Black and yellow you, like banana do. They might pick you someday. Wish that I was a yellow bird, I'd fly away with you. But I am not a yellow bird, so here I sit, nothing else to do. Yellow bird, up high in banana tree. Yellow bird, you sit all alone like me. Did your lady friend leave the nest again? That is very sad, make me feel so bad. You can fly away, in the sky again. You're more lucky than me. Yellow bird, yellow bird, yellow bird. See how you go with that one. If you attempt it and you have any problems, just give me an email and I'll see if we can fix it. Thank you very much.